Hey folks, Stephen White's here from the Bing team. Today I want to show you about Bing on Windows Phone 8, the cool new release of the device and the phones and everything else that are out there, and just what Bing can do on these new devices. So let me give you a few examples of the new power of Bing. First off, just in a standard old core search. I hit the search button here at the bottom, I get the great search experience, I get the home page image right there. And let's say I want to go find tropical fish. That's something that sounds interesting to go look for. The home page gets me going. Tropical fish, I'm searching and I get local places right there of where I can actually buy tropical fish. I can see media of tropical fish, so images and videos and whatnot. I can see shopping where I can purchase these things online. I can buy fish online. I can see deals for tropical fish right there. And of course I get standard web results, but because we detected tropical fish was likely a query that had a real world intent, we actually defaulted to that local tab in the first place. So a much better experience for web search itself, really positioning it as a way to get things done in the real world and not just simply find information. What else can you do with the search product? Well, because these phones are kind of like the most ideal personal computer in that they're always with you and they're really very, very personal to you. We've built a lot of functionality to make this phone very personal and very enjoyable to use. So I can go to the Bing screen here. I can just swipe across, see top videos. I can then go across and see movies in theaters. You can see I can see more. And with that I can go look at, say, flight, for example. There's the flight graphics. I get the about, all the information about it there, show times of theaters that are near me. I can even get buzz. We actually use the power of Bing to look at all the buzz from both critics and from users and give you the favorable, unfavorable reviews right there on the screen. Related movies and then even applications you can use to go buy tickets and that kind of thing, all inside of this Bing search app. So lots of fun there with movies. But what else can you do with this stuff? It's not just movies. It's not just headlines and news, which you also have. It's also local deals for you. Looking at where you are and what's around you, you can actually see local deals that are around you right here from a variety of different providers right inside the Bing search application. So very handy to save a few dollars in today's marketplaces, which is always a nice thing. And then finally, events. We have events that are also interesting, so I can look at Disney on Ice, Dare to Dream, or I can look at a bunch of different ones. I can see Wicked here coming to Paramount Theater in a couple of times. I can even buy tickets right from inside the application just like that. So really looking at how we can, again, take the fact this is a mobile device that's very personal to you and give you experiences which make sense given the fact that you're on a small screen, given the fact that you're trying to do these different real-world things when you're on this device, we think make a lot of sense and make experience much more enjoyable. So that's core search. So what else can we do here with the power of Bing inside this new platform? One of my favorite things is actually this thing we call Local Scout. We've had this since Windows Phone 7.5, but now it's gotten a lot better. Now what we actually do is look at your social connections. So who of your friends likes what or has expressed an interest in things around you. So I can see at Local Scout, eat and drink, that's still there. I can see all the places I want to eat, things I can see and do. But check this out. I can go look at this new thing called For You. And For You actually is a customized list of restaurants and things around me based upon what my friends and friends of friends actually have liked. But it's even more complex than that. We'll say things like Mayuri Indian cuisine. The reason this is recommended for you is because people who like chutneys at Bellevue, Indian cuisine, like this place as well. So we look at more than just simply your friends' likes. We look at the kind of patterns, the collaborative patterns that exist out there with big data to really figure out which of these things make a lot of sense. We even look at things like check-ins. So here's 2,500 folks who checked in here to Patty's Irish Pub. So really looking at a number of different factors to recommend places that you might want to go based on where you're at right now. So a lot of fun there. Again, using the power of Bing, power of big data, and the power of our exclusive relationship with Facebook to really deliver you a very cool, interesting experience. Last but not least, going down that kind of social angle, if you go to the new Windows Phone Store, you see, of course, all the different things you can go look at. I can look at apps here. The App Store is just going crazy these days. I can look at pics for you right here, and same kind of thing. I actually will see a bunch of different applications that are right for me based on a number of factors. How many times they're downloaded. In this case, people who are new to Windows Phone like this particular app. Here I can see that a couple of my friends, Aya and Kat, like the Amazon Kindle app, so I might want that one. So the point is that we look at a number of different variables, a number of different factors, a number of different signals, and we figure out, using all that math, which of the hundreds of thousands of applications inside the App Store would be interesting to you. So it's really using the power of the algorithm to help you navigate the morass of things that are out there across the different platforms, across the different systems. So that's it. That's the power of Bing on Windows Phone 8. Everyone went out there and grabbed the Nokia 920, HTC 8X, or the variety of other phones that are popping out there on carriers across the world and experienced the power of Bing inside the phone platform.